Houston, the dishwasher, was born in the middle of nowhere. His glasses were as thick as books and his pants had flames and flairs. His clientele were landlords, lawyers, and other thieves. His last words out of town were just, "I want to afford to breathe." Hey, Mr. Policeman, don't you go in my van. What you'd find would put me away for a time. Got a giant lizard in my backseat for your safety and mine. You just keep on walking down the long white line. You just keep on walking down that long white line. Was a lot like the reptiles he cared for. He burned down all his bridges just to keep warm. He worked all his days away at his bills he couldn't afford. So he took his giant lizard and he robbed a jewelry store. Hey, Mr. Policeman, don't you go in my bag. What you'd find would put me away for a time. Got a giant lizard in my backseat for your safety and mine. Just keep on walking down that long white line. Just keep on walking down that long white line. Houston drove all through the night, his bag full of precious gems. He lit himself a cigarette, harbored no regrets. He pulled into the conoco station just to fill his tank. When he walked through the door, my friends, you should have seen his face. His palms got moist and his eyes got wide, his heart began to ache. A sexy dame was arriving the counter, on her shoulder was a snake. Why, Houston, the dishwasher, with the first wish she said. I saw you on the evening news, I'm so glad we met. I was just a housemaid, a simple modern slave, till I went to the desert and I sang a sweet song and I charmed this rattling snake. Now I roam the countryside just to get my kicks. No one now can take advantage, I got venom on my lips. If you think you could handle that, or we could kick it too, we'll be free from society with the devil in our shoes. Hey, Mr. Policeman, don't you go in my van. What you'd find would put me away for a time. Got a giant lizard in my backseat for your safety and mine. Just keep on walking down the long white line. Just keep on walking down the long white line. So we'll dance all night through the desert night and keep these reptiles warm. Till we're caught for our crimes, our empire shall get born.